Hello. My name is Vlad, and I am the creator of the GV Home Office CRM system. I've been working as a phone operator for 12 years. During this time, I gained a lot of practical experience working with many CRM systems. I later suffered a stroke. It's hard for me to walk right now, and I speak slowly. That's why I'm using artificial intelligence to communicate with you. Please excuse me. One day I had an idea. And I thought about how you can create a CRM system for yourself that will be simple and convenient. As I understand it, a CRM needs a server to work, so I thought, why not use my own computer as a server? But how do I connect my phone to it? Then I noticed my old router with flashing lights. And suddenly it dawned on me. What if we try to make it work? I connected my smartphone to the router via Wi-Fi, and I also connected my computer. Next, I wrote a test program for a smartphone and for a computer. The program on the smartphone intercepted incoming phone numbers. Then the phone number was transmitted to the computer via the router. Another program was already intercepting the phone number on the computer and showing the phone number in the monitor window. I was so surprised when it worked. Then I thought, if the connection works exclusively through a router, then third-party servers and cloud systems are not needed at all. And a thought immediately popped up. If you don't need a server, maybe you don't need the internet? And I turned off the internet. And I ran the test again. Everything was working well. Everyone, like me, has a thought. You need a router to distribute the internet. That's what the router was created for. But in this situation, the internet is not needed. This means that the router acts as a bridge between the smartphone and the computer in this situation. That's all. To be sure, I got under the table and unplugged the internet cable, and the test worked without errors again. You can't imagine how surprised I was. It turns out that if you have electricity and a mobile connection, you can work anywhere. And so the work on creating a CRM without the internet began. It took me 6 months to complete the project, and that included work on the website, advertising, and these video tutorials. This is what the CRM GV Home Office looks like. For clarity, I uploaded a test database. You will need this database for examples and lessons in the future. Given my experience as an operator, I tried to make CRM as convenient and simple as possible. CRM is customized to your individual preferences. And there is no unnecessary garbage in the program. Now you can use GV Home Office without restrictions. Let me remind you what advantages CRM provides. The main thing is full control over your data and your work. If you work without an internet connection, no one will be able to break into your computer and steal your data. Further, the program is absolutely free. There are no hidden ads, no trial period, no access code, confirmation, or even registration. The third. This is the speed of the program. Since the program is located on your computer and does not need constant data transfer to third-party servers, CRM will work at the highest possible speed. The program takes up less than 100 megabytes. GV Home Office is perfect for those who start their own small business and work with each client individually. The program will help to keep every contact with the client and develop a dialogue before the transaction is concluded. The program has been translated into several languages so far: English, Spanish, Russian, and Chinese. As an experienced operator, I recommend an inexpensive Android smartphone. It was all tested on Android smartphones versions 10, 11, and 14, but it should work on all versions above the 9th version. You will need a new SIM card with no negative history. Before applying for a SIM card, check the phone number on the internet so that customers are not afraid of a bad story. You don't need expensive equipment. Any standard Wi-Fi router is perfect for connecting your devices. CRM was tested on Windows 10, on a computer and old laptops. Important: the screen resolution should be 1920 by 1080 pixels. The program is displayed correctly on the monitor only at this screen resolution. Another important point: turn off the VPN. There may be communication problems with this. To download files and updates, visit my website gv-ho.net or GitHub. Links in the description of the video. All project files have been checked by Microsoft and Google antivirus systems. The program is absolutely safe for your computer and smartphone. You can see links to short lessons and screenshots of the checks on the website and on GitHub. I've outlined the big picture for you. I hope you have understood everything. Detailed instructions on how to install, configure, and start working will be provided in the lessons. This is my first time sharing my development on the internet, so please do not judge strictly. If you like the idea, please like and subscribe. This will help other people to learn about this system. I wish you all the best. Goodbye.